Welcome to Junction Box Thinkers Science Experiments. This episode is all about the Oobleck experiment. The materials you'll need are 1 cup of water, 1.5 to 2 cups of cornstarch, food coloring of your choice, a container or a bowl, and a spoon. Now that you have everything you need, let's get started. Step 1. Add water and food coloring to your bowl or container. Step 2. Stir in your cornstarch little by little. Step 3. Once your mixture gets too difficult to stir with your spoon, start using your hands. Step 4. Once it's fully mixed, let the fun begin. Want to change it up? Try jabbing your finger or an object into your oobleck and then watch it slowly sink in. Want to learn more about the science behind this experiment? Visit our website at jbthinkers.com. Want to see more experiments? Subscribe to our YouTube channel, Junction Box Thinkers. Thanks for watching!